been trying to reach you about your auto warranty. Hail damage. My bad. Seriously, if you got hail damage on your car or truck in the vicinity of Aurora, or really anywhere in Illinois, I've got some almost too good to be true news for you. Elite Hail Systems, an award-winning auto hail repair company, is here to help you out. We'll pay your deductible for you, and we'll pay for a rental car so you can get around while yours is fixed up. That's right, we don't want your money, so you can hold onto your wallet. We'll handle all the details, and your ride will look like the damage never happened. Offering world-class paintless dent repair in Aurora, Elite Hail Systems is consistently voted best of the best in the industry. Don't just take my word for it. Check out our reviews. They'll tell you everything you need to know. Shops get backed up for months after these big storms, so don't wait. Give Elite Hail Systems a call today at 630-423-8795 or visit us at elitehailaurora.com. Talk soon.